Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Time check, it's ready. What's the time? Let me check. 9:19. Oh my god. Look. This is breakfast. I love this one. Fresh. This is siya, sweet potato. And then sweet potato and banana with sesame. So after this, I'm gonna do my workout. Super yummy.
Hello.
No.
It's not really cold this time. Maybe later we're gonna go to the really nice hot spring here. Never been there. We have friends, so we're gonna go there. So this was also I cooked this morning for my daughter. She went to the Muay Thai class. It's also banana. So I have the last banana. So I cook it. She loves like this. Let's try the banana. I like it because so good with the sesame. The sesame seeds is also adding flavor. It's good. After this one, I'm gonna start my workout. It's cloudy. Okay, done. I'm gonna do now my workout.